So I saw someone's post on Facebook about doing macrame, and I have always kind of wanted a macrame prop for putting under baskets and things, just to add a little texture and stuff to some of my sets.
Hi.
So I finally ordered some, and this is someone local. Let me put this around. Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi. My kids are just being cute. Alright, yeah. So this is macrame with Shea. She has a cute little bag. Cute little card. Cutely wrapped. Can you pull the bag off? Alright. She sent me a photo of the finished product, but I'd share the unveiling. And she worked well with my desire for design and for price. So she worked within my budget to create a shape and design that I liked. So, that's very simple, not super thick. It's about 12 inches by 18 inches. So it provides the perfect little texturing for under a basket. I think it's fun. I'm excited to use it. So here's an example of what it might look like under a little bed. This adds a little fun texture underneath. Isn't that cute? My daughter wanted to put a baby doll on the bed. Okay, go ahead. Should we tuck the baby doll in? You get the arms out. There. It's a big baby doll. This is like a 1-month-old baby doll. Yay! Say bye.